Welcome. In front of me I have MIBRO Watch Lite 3 Pro, and I'm gonna show you how to adjust the screen brightness on this watch. So if you want to increase or decrease the brightness on your watch, first you will need to press the home button to wake up the screen, then press it again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu and look for the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it, of course, and here you should see the option called display and brightness. Tap on it. Now tap on brightness, and right here we can adjust the screen brightness by swiping on the slider. And once you're done, you can press the home button to go back to watch face. You can also enable the auto brightness, automatic. So if you tap on the switch next to automatic in the brightness and display and brightness menu, it will turn on the automatic brightness, and basically the watch will adjust the brightness automatically according to the surrounding light around the watch. So if you like it, enable it. If you don't like it, disable it. Of course, take in consideration that the automatic one will adjust it automatically. So sometimes it will might not be bright, or it will be too bright. So I usually like to just use the manual one, but if you like the idea of the automatic, you can always test it out, and if it works for you, you can just leave it enabled. Okay, and that's how you adjust the screen brightness on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.